Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to check if your Poco C71 is original or fake. Now to do that, I have a few codes to check if our Poco phone is original or fake. Now as you can see, these are the codes to check if your Poco phone is original or fake. Now if all these codes run on your smartphone, then your Poco phone is original. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen and open the dialer app. From here, just dial *#*# 64663 *#*. From here, you can test the hardware of your smartphone. For example, you can test the touch panel of your smartphone. And also you can test the other hardware features of your smartphone. If you tap on software version, you can find the IMEI numbers of your smartphone, just like that. Now from here, just compare the IMEI numbers on the screen to the IMEI numbers on your smartphone's box and make sure they are both the same. And once you have done that, just go to your home screen and open the web browser app on your smartphone. And on the search bar, just search IMEI Global. From here, just open the Xiaomi Global website. Now just scroll down and tap on Customer Support. Now as you can see, there are many countries supported. Just scroll down and find your country. Now as you can see, there are many methods to contact with Xiaomi's customer support. You can contact with them through the chat service, or through the email support, or through the phone number. Just tap on Chat Support. Now, if Chat Support is not supported in your country, just select Email Support or Phone Number. From here, just scroll down and tap on Live Chat. Now, just tap on Privacy Policy. Now, just go back and tap on Yes. From here, just enter your email address. Now, just tap on Submit. From here, just type warranty status. Now just wait for a few seconds for the Xiaomi customer support to reply. Now as you can see, they have replied, "Welcome to Xiaomi customer service." Now as you can see, they are asking us to share our IMEI number. To do that, just go to your home screen and open the dialer app. Now from here, just dial *#06#. Now from here, just tap and hold on the IMEI number on the screen and tap on the three dots. From here, just tap on Copy. Now just go back to the web browser app and paste the copied IMEI number over here. Now just wait for a few seconds for the Xiaomi customer service to reply. Now as you can see, they are asking us to wait for a moment for them to check our smartphone's detail. Now as you can see, they have replied. Now as you can see, this is the IMEI number of our smartphone, and below the IMEI number you can find the model of your smartphone. And as you can see, I'm currently using the Poco C75 to record this video, and from here just check the warranty start date and the warranty end date. And this is how to check if your Poco C71 is original or fake. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.